Revolvers might seem old school, but don't be fooled. Modern engineering has turned them into unstoppable powerhouses. Some pack mind-blowing firepower, while others offer unmatched precision for defense and hunting. Today, we're revealing the top 7 deadliest revolvers of 2025, and number 1 is an absolute monster. Hit subscribe now so you never miss the latest in high-powered weaponry. 7. Taurus Model 85 Ultralight. Not all deadly revolvers have to be big and intimidating. Sometimes, the most lethal gun is the one you can carry every single day. And that's exactly where the Taurus Model 85 Ultralight comes in. This compact .38 Special Plus P revolver is built for one thing: self-defense. Weighing only 17 ounces, it's one of the lightest revolvers in its class, making it perfect for concealed carry. But don't let its size fool you. This revolver is designed to stop threats quickly and efficiently, delivering serious stopping power in a lightweight package. The 2-inch barrel makes it incredibly easy to draw in high-pressure situations, and the double-action, single-action trigger gives you flexibility in how you fire. The textured rubber grip improves handling, ensuring you can maintain control even under stress. Meanwhile, the fixed sights are optimized for fast, close-range shooting, because in a self-defense scenario, every second counts. Beyond its performance, the Taurus Model 85 Ultralight is also built for reliability. Its aluminum alloy frame keeps it durable yet lightweight, ensuring that it won't weigh you down during daily carry. The Plus P rating means it can fire higher pressure rounds, giving you extra stopping power when it matters most. And with a proven track record in real-world defensive use, this revolver has earned its place as one of the best self-defense firearms of 2025. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or someone looking for their first concealed carry revolver, the Model 85 Ultralight delivers simplicity, reliability, and raw effectiveness. In the world of deadly revolvers, sometimes the smallest ones leave the biggest impact. 6. Ruger Blackhawk. Few revolvers blend old-school charm and modern firepower quite like the Ruger Blackhawk. This isn't just a gun, it's a piece of history with a technological edge. Chambered in .357 Magnum, the Blackhawk delivers a perfect balance of power, precision, and durability, making it one of the most trusted revolvers of 2025. One of its standout features is its cold hammer-forged barrel, a technology that ensures exceptional accuracy and longevity. Ruger designed this revolver for serious shooters who demand tight shot groupings and reliable performance. The adjustable rear sight and ramp front sight make target acquisition a breeze, whether you're hunting or using it for self-defense. Safety is another major advantage. The transfer bar safety system prevents accidental discharges, a crucial feature missing in older single-action revolvers. With its rugged, blued alloy steel construction, the Blackhawk isn't just a revolver. It's an heirloom, built to last for generations. If you're looking for a no-nonsense, rock-solid revolver that combines power and reliability, the Ruger Blackhawk is a top contender. 5. Heritage Arms Rough Rider. While most revolvers focus on raw power, the Heritage Arms Rough Rider brings something unique to the table: unmatched accuracy and a true Wild West feel. Inspired by the legendary Colt buntline of the 19th century, this revolver features a jaw-dropping 16-inch barrel, making it one of the longest revolvers you can own today. But don't think the Rough Rider is just a novelty. It's a sharpshooter's dream. The extra-long barrel gives it unparalleled accuracy, allowing you to land precise shots at distances most revolvers can only dream of. It fires .22 LR and .22 Magnum rounds, offering versatility for plinking, target shooting, or even small game hunting. The single-action operation keeps things traditional, while the adjustable sights help fine-tune every shot. The Cocobolo wood grips add a touch of class, and a manual safety makes it a practical choice for those who love classic revolvers, but still want a modern safety feature. If you want a revolver that brings the spirit of the Wild West into 2025, the Rough Rider is a must-have. 4. Smith & Wesson Model 500. When it comes to sheer stopping power, nothing comes close to the Smith & Wesson Model 500. This revolver isn't just deadly, it's an absolute powerhouse. Chambered in 500 S&W Magnum, this beast fires one of the largest handgun rounds ever designed, delivering mind-blowing energy that can take down a grizzly bear with a single shot. It's built on Smith & Wesson's massive X-frame, designed to handle the sheer force of this brutal cartridge. The muzzle compensator helps control recoil, but let's be real. There's no taming a gun like this. Weighing in at a staggering 71 ounces, this isn't a gun you casually carry. It's a weapon of raw destruction, often used for big game hunting or as a serious survival gun. The stainless steel construction ensures long-term durability, and its interchangeable iron sights allow for precision shooting even at a distance. But let's be honest, the Model 500 isn't for the faint of heart. If you can handle the kick, this revolver delivers the hardest-hitting shot in the world of handguns. We're only halfway through, and the firepower keeps getting wilder. These revolvers aren't just historical throwbacks, they're modern killing machines built for serious business. You don't want to miss what's next, so smash that subscribe button and stay updated on the most powerful firearms ever created. Now, let's get back to it. 3. Ruger LCR. When it comes to modern self-defense, the Ruger LCR is one of the most advanced revolvers ever designed. This ultra-lightweight, ultra-reliable firearm is built to be carried every day and fired without hesitation in life-or-death situations. Chambered in 9mm, the LCR, lightweight compact revolver, brings semi-auto firepower to the world of wheel guns. Unlike old-school revolvers, the LCR features a monolithic stainless steel frame that's durable but incredibly lightweight, weighing only 17.2 ounces. That makes it one of the lightest revolvers in the world. But don't let its size fool you. This thing is built for performance. The friction-reducing cam system delivers an insanely smooth trigger pull, improving accuracy even under high-stress conditions. The fluted cylinder with PVD coating enhances durability, while the Hogue Tamer grip absorbs recoil, making follow-up shots quicker and more controlled. If you want a revolver that brings the best of modern engineering into a concealed carry powerhouse, the Ruger LCR is one of the deadliest and most practical choices available in 2025. 2. Uberti, 1851. Navy. Not all revolvers need high-tech materials or insane calibers to be deadly. Some have already proven their lethality on the battlefield for over a century. The Uberti, 1851 Navy, is a perfect example, a faithful reproduction of the legendary Civil War revolver, bringing historical firepower into the modern world. Chambered in .36 black powder, this revolver isn't just for collectors. It's a highly functional firearm with a 7.5-inch octagonal barrel that delivers exceptional accuracy. The engraved cylinder and case-hardened frame add an authentic touch, making it feel like you're holding a piece of Wild West history in your hands. Despite being an old-school black powder revolver, don't underestimate its stopping power. The Uberti 1851 Navy was carried by some of the deadliest gunslingers in American history, and it remains a highly respected choice for enthusiasts and cowboy action shooters. If you want a revolver that's both historically iconic and still deadly in skilled hands, the 1851 Navy is the one to own. 1. Smith & Wesson 686+. At number 1, we have a revolver that perfectly balances power, capacity, and precision, the Smith & Wesson 686+. This legendary firearm has been a favorite among law enforcement, hunters, and serious shooters for decades, and in 2025, it remains the king of revolvers. Chambered in .357 Magnum, this L-frame revolver can also fire .38 special rounds, making it versatile for both self-defense and high-powered shooting. But what truly sets it apart is its 7-round capacity, one extra shot compared to most revolvers, which can make all the difference in a firefight. The stainless steel construction gives it the rugged durability needed for intense use, while its balanced weight distribution helps absorb recoil. The double-action, single-action trigger system provides shooters with fast, accurate follow-up shots, making it one of the most reliable revolvers ever made. Accuracy is further enhanced by its adjustable rear sight and red ramp front sight, allowing for precise target acquisition even in low-light conditions. The smooth, crisp trigger pull ensures that every shot lands exactly where you want it, giving the shooter unmatched confidence and control. Whether you're on the range, hunting, or in a self-defense situation, the 6.86 Plus offers the perfect mix of power, capacity, and shootability. Its timeless design, combined with modern refinements, cements its reputation as not just the deadliest revolver of 2025, but possibly the greatest revolver ever made. And that's the full list, the 7 deadliest revolvers of 2025. From the earth-shaking power of the Smith & Wesson Model 500 to the modern precision of the Ruger LCR and the perfectly balanced Smith & Wesson 6.86 Plus, every revolver on this list brings something unique to the table. Drop your pick in the comments below. And if you loved this breakdown, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because we've got even more hard-hitting, high-powered firearm content coming your way. Until next time, stay locked, loaded, and ready for action.